Hey guys, miss the new set for your room? Here are different gadgets to make your dwelling more stylish and functional. Those who will watch the video till the end can take part in our giveaway and win LED color computer light. Let's start. Have you ever thought about how safe your dwelling really is? It's not about the alarm or fingerprint padlocks, it's about this little device. Accept the fact that Amazon Echo records everything it hears in your home 24/7 and archives it to Amazon's cloud storage. It's not just a saying. Voice assistants from Apple, Amazon, Google, and Facebook have infiltrated millions of people's lives without their permission. Amazon Echo owners fare better here since AlexaGate can protect their talks. This unibody aluminum gadget is put on the Echo Jam, its microphone covered completely. Clap your hands or tap AlexaGate thrice to activate wiretaps protection. Now you can scream until you lose your voice. Amazon Echo won't hear a thing. Clap your hands 3 times again and your smart speaker is ready to execute your commands again. AlexaGate uses pulsed ultrasound, which is beyond humans' hearing range and safe for pets. The gadget is compatible with almost every Amazon Echo. Click the link in the description below to see the details. From time to time, you regret you don't have an opportunity to look what's going on in your house. This wireless hidden camera clock is integrated with a discrete security camera. It's ideal for monitoring your pets, kids, or as a babysitter nanny cam. Full HD resolution keeps you informed of what's going on during the day. Built-in infrared spy cam technology provides a clear video at night or in dark environments. Downloadable smartphone app enables live stream, real-time snapshot, and video recording. Get a crystal clear wide-angle live feed of your room with included iPhone or Android app. Anytime and place with internet access. Turn motion and sound detection alert on and get a push notification on your mobile phone whenever the alarm clock camera detects motion or sound. Taking memorable photos of all the happy events of our lives is so important. Introducing a compact, portable photo printer that produces high-quality prints that can last for up to 100 years using dye sublimation printing technology. It weighs less than a pound and uses a built-in battery to print images on the spot with the Canon SELPHY photo app without worrying about wires or cables. The printer produces 2.7-inch by 2.7-inch prints that are perfectly sized for sharing or saving. Each photo dries quickly and is treated with a protective layer that shields it from tears, water damage, and smudges. The peel-off adhesive backing makes it easy to decorate your space and belongings. Connect to Canon SELPHY photo app to edit, add creative templates, stickers, filters, and print your favorite photos from a compatible mobile device easily. We recommend you get this string light with 20 transparent clips in addition to the previous device. It's the best place to clip on your favorite photos or memories to this decorative light and hang it on your bedroom wall for beautiful lighting decor. Steady and flash function modes produce pure light and high brightness with low heat. Forget about photo frames, display all your cherished memories exquisitely. Whether you're snuggling up with a good book, snapping a stunning photo, or creating a welcoming ambiance, the right lighting is of a big matter. But most lamps and lights are a bit too harsh, not to mention they're tethered by cords and wires. Light up your world with this LED book lamp. With a beautiful multifunctional design, it's a soft, illuminating light you can use anywhere. Create a cozy atmosphere while you read, set a romantic mood for dinner, and brighten up a dark closet. Choose between warm and cool white light or a special mode that gradually transitions from one to the other. Foldable, flexible, and fun to use, you can open the lamp up to 360 degrees. Lightweight, compact, and wireless, it's a must-have for emergencies and outdoor use. Use the included USB cable for quick, easy charging. There's only one thing left. Which book cover will you choose? Wood or leather? And now, fans of Star Trek can fire the highly accurate replica of the Rock, making it glow for survival, or access a whole spectrum of relaxing atmospheric settings and provide an ambient glow in any one of thousands of colors. Carefully textured surface is hand-painted for ultimate realism. Firing phaser makes Rock glow as if it's heating up. Stop firing and Rock fades and appears to cool. The gadget includes real survival blanket. Survival mode makes the Rock glow red, while atmosphere mode cycles through a range of colors. The icons that everybody's wiped down to basically nothing trying to win the round in Mortal Kombat or any other game? PlayStation Icon Light illuminates the dark with a soft, colorful glow. The lamp has 3 different lighting modes with standard lighting and special effect color phasing. It's even music reactive, so you can turn up the sound and watch the icons flash in time with the beat. An ideal present solution for birthdays, Christmas stocking fillers, or even the office Secret Santa. Listen to your music wherever you are. Enjoy the sound whether it's on the beach, at a party, in the garden, or in your kitchen. And yep, impress the others with the futuristic look of this wireless Bluetooth LED light speaker. It's so lightweight and portable, you can take it anywhere you want. The stunning-looking solid compact speaker is made from strong ABS materials, the construction is extremely robust, the device presents a variety of colors with beautiful effects, which is really nice to watch. The lights flash and change to the beat of your music. The playtime is about 10 hours. Listen to your favorite tracks via Bluetooth, aux cable, TF, micro SD memory card, or just turn on the FM radio. Create immersive music and light experiences anywhere with NUVELON Portable Bluetooth speakers. Wireless multi-sync technology lets you link multiple speakers. Waterproof build allows you to use them anywhere you want. Pair one speaker with any Bluetooth-enabled device, or connect your device MP3 player with the included auxiliary cable, then link additional NUVELON Flare Lantern speakers, up to 100, to play or stream music anywhere, indoors or outdoors. No apps, cables, batteries, or wires needed. When linked, NUVELON Flare Lantern speakers can be placed up to 50 feet apart for true wireless multi-room sound through walls and around corners. NUVELON Flare Lantern speakers deliver premium sound, strong bass, and a beat-responsive light show for up to 10 hours on a single charge. The NUVELON Flare delivers distortion-free audio at any volume, and its embedded Wi-Fi technology provides a strong, reliable signal connection between linked speakers. Color light show options range from serene color-changing glows to pulse-to-the-beat light shows. Look at ordinary things from a different angle. 2-in-1, your own oasis in a bulb that'll humidify your dwelling. 7 built-in colors switch automatically, making the atmosphere cozier. 14 fluid-ounce bulb capacity is enough to humidify the air up to 10 hours. Just connect it via USB to any power source and feel the air getting more and more moisturized. Best performance in action, breathe easy. We know you like to upgrade your PC, and here's something for you. This LED color atmosphere lamp doesn't need any special installation. Connect one end of the digital LED strip adapter cable to the header and the other to the strip. Then fix the device with the help of the magnets and enjoy your PC glowing in preferable colors and mode. Want to win a cool LED color computer light? Join our contest. Subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment so Randomizer could choose you as the winner. If the video collects 1,000 likes before the next video, we'll announce the winner. All the info's in the description below. Good luck, everyone!